Hello dear friends, NIMHANS Bangalore invited application for the post of nursing informatics. So there are two vacancies. You have to go to career section and vacancy announcement. You have to click here vacancy announcement and you will open another page like this. Here you have to click the second one. Applications are invited from the eligible candidates for the post of nursing informatics on contract basis under Dr. Naveen Kumar C. When you click here, you will reach a page like this. You can read notification here. Applications are invited from eligible candidates for the post of nursing informatics. That means nursing science plus computer science plus information science. You are communicating data and your advisors through the phone. That means telemedicine. You are doing telemedicine job here on contract basis. That means 1 year first, then it will be extended. Mostly extended under the government of Chhattisgarh. But your job location in Bangalore only. Bangalore NIMHANS is your job location. Your project name is Torrent Telementoring for Rural Health Organizers of Chhattisgarh. So you have to speak through the phone Chhattisgarh rural people. So under Dr. Naveen Kumar C, Professor of Psychiatry. So here nursing informatics, two vacancies, salary 30,000 per month. 30,000 total salary you will get. BSc Nursing, qualification BSc Nursing from a recognized university and being well versed in Hindi language. You have to have a good Hindi speaking skill. You have to speak to the rural people through the Hindi language. Then preferred qualification, experience in mental health service. If you are having a mental health working experience, you will be preferred. And if you are a MSc Nursing Psychiatry, you will be preferred. Proficiency in the use of Microsoft Word, PowerPoint presentations, videos, Google Drive. That means you should have a basic skill in computer system. Position involves telementoring and training. That means telemedicine. You have to speak to the rural people through the phone. You have to give some advices to them. You have to have a video conference between 9:30 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. That is your job. You have to have a video conference with them daytime 9:30 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. Telephonic support. Then work location NIMHANS Bangalore. You don't want to go to Chhattisgarh. You can work in Bangalore only. Age limit 32 years and the duration of project 12 months. Initial appointment will be done for 6 months and will be extended based on performance. So it will be extended. This is a very good opportunity. The eligible candidates will be shortlisted. Skill test or interview will be conducted via video conference and the details will be communicated to the shortlisted candidates. The last date for receipt of application is 29/3/2021. So there are 3 days left. You have to apply very fast. When you click this link, you will reach another form. You have to fill that form. You have to click this link. I will show you. When you click that link, you will reach here. Details for the post of nursing informatics BSc for Government of Chhattisgarh funded project. So fund is providing from Government of Chhattisgarh. So you will get salary from Chhattisgarh. Kindly fill all the questions. So you have to fill all the questions. I will show you. Here your name and date of birth, gender, then contact number, email ID, year of passing BSc Nursing, experience in psychiatry. If you have experience in psychiatry, you will be preferred. Other experience, languages known. Hindi, korchengil arranjirikkanam. Speaking, writing, reading. Then computer knowledge. Then upload your CV here. Upload your curriculum vitae. Upload your latest CV here. Then upload BSc Nursing graduate certificate here. then upload 10th mark sheet here. Then you can submit here. Then you have to you should have a regular checkup with your email and the NIMHANS website. You will get a notification from them. They will call the interview or skill test. Then once you overcome that, you will be definitely going to get job. Thank you, and please share this video to your friends. It is a very good opportunity. You can work in Bangalore, from Bangalore only. No need to go to Chhattisgarh. So നിങ്ങൾ കൂട്ടുകാരിലേക്ക് ഷെയർ ചെയ്യുക മാക്സിമം. നല്ലൊരു ഓപ്പർച്യൂണിറ്റിയാണ്. താങ്ക് യു. എല്ലാവരും തന്നെ വീഡിയോ കൂട്ടുകാരിലേക്ക് ഷെയർ ചെയ്യുക. സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യാത്തവരുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യുക. പ്ലീസ് സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് അവർ ചാനൽ. താങ്ക് യു.